Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing the cutest kawaii teddy bear soft, snuggly, and full of charm. It's an easy step-by-step tutorial perfect for beginners and anyone who loves adorable characters. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new kawaii drawing video. And here's a fun question. What's the name of your favorite stuffed animal or toy from childhood? Share it in the comments, we'd love to know. Let's get started with this super sweet teddy bear. Wonderful work, artists! Your kawaii teddy bear looks absolutely huggable. Thanks so much for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other kawaii drawing videos. There's always something cute and fun to create. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video.